In the vast cosmic tapestry of existence, it is believed by many that the universe or a higher power presents us with challenges and trials as a way to test and facilitate our growth and development. These tests, while often disguised as life events or circumstances, are seen as opportunities for spiritual and personal evolution. In this video, we will explore this concept and outline 5 signs that may indicate you are undergoing a divine test on your journey of growth and ascension. First, we will go over some texts that support this concept of being tested by a higher power or the universe as a precursor to personal or spiritual growth is a prevalent theme in various religious and spiritual texts across different cultures and traditions. These texts often depict individuals or communities undergoing trials and tribulations to demonstrate their faith, resilience, and willingness to evolve spiritually. Here are some examples from different spiritual traditions. 1. The Bible. In Christianity, the Bible portrays multiple instances where individuals face testing and trials as part of their spiritual journey. One notable example is the story of Job, who undergoes immense suffering and loss to test his faith and devotion to God. In the end, his unwavering faith and perseverance lead to his spiritual growth and a deeper understanding of divine wisdom and providence. But he knows the way that I take. When he has tested me, I will come forth as gold. Job 23 verse 10 NIV. 2. The Quran. In Islam, the Quran acknowledges that individuals will face tests and challenges in their lives. These trials are seen as a means to strengthen one's faith and character, ultimately leading to spiritual growth and a closer relationship with Allah. And we will surely test you with something of fear and hunger and a loss of wealth and lives and fruits. But give good tidings to the patient, who, when disaster strikes them, say, "Indeed we belong to Allah, and indeed to Him we will return." 3. Bhagavad Gita. In Hinduism, the Bhagavad Gita, a sacred scripture, discusses the idea of life being a series of tests and challenges. Lord Krishna imparts spiritual wisdom and guidance to Arjuna, emphasizing the importance of facing one's duties and challenges in life with courage and righteousness. Through these tests, one can attain higher consciousness and spiritual enlightenment. Perform your obligatory duty, because action is indeed better than inaction. And even the maintenance of your body would not be possible by inaction. 4. Buddhist scriptures. In Buddhism, the concept of facing tests or challenges is related to the idea of overcoming suffering and attachment to material desires. The Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path guide individuals in navigating life's difficulties and challenges, leading to spiritual liberation and growth. The path to the cessation of suffering is the Noble Eightfold Path: right view, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. These spiritual texts and teachings underscore the belief that facing and overcoming challenges in life is an essential aspect of spiritual growth and enlightenment. The tests, although difficult, are viewed as opportunities for individuals to demonstrate their faith, resilience, and commitment to their spiritual journey. In the realm of esoteric and mystical interpretations, the idea of being tested by the divine before experiencing growth and spiritual evolution takes on a symbolic and profound significance. It is not merely a literal examination, but a metaphysical and transformative process aimed at expanding one's consciousness and aligning with the higher truths of existence. Here are the 5 signs that you are being tested by the universe. Sign 1. Synchronicities and Patterns. A fundamental aspect of the universe's test lies in the alignment of events, thoughts, and occurrences. Synchronicities and repeating patterns can be interpreted as a message from the universe, urging you to pay attention to the unfolding of your life's journey. As Carl Jung once stated, synchronicity is an ever-present reality for those who have eyes to see. Sign 2. A crisis of faith and identity. A crisis of faith and identity can often be interpreted as a test of one's beliefs and understanding of the world. This phase challenges your core values, beliefs, and self-identity, urging you to reevaluate and evolve. As Rumi aptly put it, "Don't be satisfied with stories, how things have gone with others. Unfold your own myth. Sign 3. Facing repeated obstacles. Repetitive obstacles and challenges can be viewed as a sign that the universe is testing your resilience, determination, and willingness to learn and adapt. Every obstacle encountered is an opportunity to strengthen your character and grow beyond your perceived limitations. As victory, Frankl noted, when we are no longer able to change a situation, we are challenged to change ourselves. Sign 4. Intuitive guidance and inner knowing. The universe often communicates through our intuition, guiding us towards the right path. Trusting your inner wisdom and following your intuition, even when it seems illogical, can be a significant test of your faith in the unseen forces guiding your journey. As Albert Einstein expressed, the intuitive mind is a sacred gift and the rational mind is a faithful servant. We have created a society that honors the servant and has forgotten the gift. Sign 5. A nudge towards service and compassion. A divine test often nudges you towards acts of service, kindness, and compassion. The more you cultivate empathy and contribute positively to the world, the more you align with your higher purpose and potential. Mother Teresa's words encapsulate this. It's not how much we give but how much love we put into giving. Perceiving life's challenges as divine tests allows for a shift in perspective, encouraging us to embrace these trials as opportunities for growth and enlightenment. While the signs mentioned here may guide you on your path, the interpretation of these signs ultimately lies within your own heart and soul. Embrace the journey, for every step you take is a step towards evolving into the person you are destined to become.